What's up, guys? This is Jimbo here from the Jimbo Slice YouTube channel. Today we're going to be going over the Bosch Jigsaw 572. Get the exact model number. You get it in a kit. It comes with the Box 2. It's the JS572EB. EB for the barrel nose, the barrel rip style. I'll zoom in on this case, but this is your saw here. This is their high-end jigsaw. It's about $300. I got mine for $250. You got a kit with all sorts of goodies in it. You have their L boxes. I'm not a big fan of, but that's another topic of conversation. So I'm going to cut a little bit with you, show how nice it cuts, and we'll go over the kit as well. So this is a very nice kit. So you have the saw itself here, okay, and then it comes with a plastic pad. But you also get a nice metal cutting pad. Okay, it slides right on there. Okay, you also have a anti-splitter guide. Okay, that fits right in there. You also have the dust cover, dust shroud. I'm not a fan of it. I don't like the anti-splitter either. I like to see as much as I can. Okay, and everything kind of just fits in here a certain way. Anyways, here's the saw itself. Okay, go over some of the features. You have your various orbital settings. Okay, and you also have the dust blower. Okay, dust blower is huge, and then also you got that little port for the dust extraction. This is the connector for it. So this slides right in here. Goes right in the back. And then you also have your tubular attachment here for your various size vacuum holders. Okay. But even if you don't use the dust extraction, it's still a very nice saw to use. So we'll go over the saw. Plug it in. Obviously this is a corded model. See, the light goes on instantly. The thing about, you can actually, there's a button here to turn the light on and off. Okay. It's got variable speed on the rear. So to change the bevel, you release this lever and then you pull back, and it's got detents for your different angles. It's hard to see. I can get it to. Okay. So remember, you got to pull back. So we want on 0. Slide back. Lock it in. And then everything on here that does something is red, essentially. So you have your different orbital settings, anywhere from 0 for your sheet metal, all the way to like your clean cutting 3. Scrolling is usually done on 1. That's what Bosch recommends. It's a slide on off. Variable speeds at the back, LED triggers here. Like I said, you have your dust shrouds. I don't like using the dust shrouds or anything like that, and I leave the blower on. If you're going to do dust extraction, you want the blower off. Okay? And then what makes this saw so great is, if you look, is the blade guide right here. Let's turn this LED off. This is the blade guide right here. That's where all the magic happens. And that's what's going to keep the saw blade nice and straight when you're making your turns. So let's cut with it, because why not? Alright, to change the blade, you have your release lever up here in the front. Okay, you're going to slide your blade in. Let's hit the thing. Slide it in, now release. So we're on a low setting here, we're going to speed it up. This is scroll cutting. Tip blower is on. See how nice it scrolls. Okay. Great saw. All right. As I was saying before the video cut out, you can't even see any sawdust on the work surface itself. That's how all it does is at removing the saw. And how great of the scrolls it makes. You just got to dial it in. You heard I kind of revved it up a little more. That high pitched sounding, that was just chattering of the saw. This isn't the best bench for cutting, and it's an older blade too. So yeah, I mean, it's a great saw. I love this thing, so let's do a little more cutting with it. And put on, what do we got here? Here's a progressor. This can be for your quick cuts. Take the orbital totally off so you can see how this one works. Okay. I'm also going to turn the chip blower off on this one as well. See the difference in the wood chips on the surface here, but you still have a higher quality cut. So if I set the orbital off to 3, that's where you get your real clean wood. See how much faster it cuts. And you see that the blower was throwing all the chips out in front of it, way out of the way. So this is a great saw to have. Let's do one more. Let's do the clean. Throw it on orbital 2. So even when I push the saw, it's still just, it chews through it, depending on whatever orbital setting you have. But when I do actual scrolling work, I prefer to keep it on 1. It's about the best for it. So that's it. This is your Bosch JS572EB barrel grip jigsaw. This is their Cadillac. So thanks for watching with me, guys.